Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, back at the diner. Unfortunately, no Joy sighting yet. There is still time, though. But maybe she's home getting some rest, well-deserved rest. She was awesome yesterday. People loved Joy. Joy, if you're watching, we love you. Let's talk about these conditions out here, because if you're waking up, heading to your car, hopefully this is not what you're dealing with, but this is the case in some spots. Take a look. We have these giant piles of snow that have built up. They've been plowed. And at this point, we're talking about some pretty hard snow. This is coarse. This is not fun to shovel. I mean, take a look at this. This is the kind of stuff you were dealing with this morning if you have to get out by your car and do that shoveling. Not going to be a fun time as this deep freeze really settles in. Take a look at this van. This is what some people are waking up to, what they're dealing with this morning. We've got those big piles of snow covering some of these vehicles. About, I want to say, a foot of snow on top of that van gives you a good idea of what happened yesterday. Talking about those road conditions, if you spin back this way again, this is the State Line Diner. This is Route 17. And based on what we saw from earlier this morning, there is some progress, more blacktop visible along Route 17. Roads are very quiet right now, but still kind of tricky in some spots. We have some video here that I want to show you of us driving around earlier as well. And you still have that thin layer of snow in some spots. That is what you were dealing with this morning if you do have to head out. And that is the issue. It can be very tricky, especially as this deep freeze settles in. We're talking about those icing opportunities as well as that refreeze. We spoke with the county executive here in Bergen County, warning about how cold it's going to be, not only presenting issues on the roads, but also maybe in your homes. You want to take care of those. Take a listen.
Frozen pipes. We want to make sure, right? People need to make sure that they're careful about making sure there's no cold air infiltration into their buildings or their houses, and they sustain some freeze up in pipes.
And as we come back out live here, this is the parking lot once again, just a mess at this point of slush, hard snow, maybe ice in some spots. So really be careful where you're stepping. Here in Bergen County, schools are closed. Those county buildings are closed as well. The main message from the county executive, if you can stay home, just stay home. Let these crews do their jobs. They're out salting. And the county executive, pretty confident that he says roads should be in good shape a little later this morning. Again, we are seeing that blacktop more visible hour by hour, so that is some good news. But if you can stay home, I highly advise you do so, because honestly, it's not fun standing out here. It's very cold despite me being bundled up. We are live in Mahwah. I'm Angelo Bavaro, Pix 11 News.
And we know how much you love the snow, Angelo.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Not much.
Right.